Hey, what's up? It's your boy Tick. Time and time again, people ask me where's a good place to stay when coming to Santo Domingo. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you an Airbnb that I rented out in Santo Domingo Este. All right. So it's a one bedroom. It's a great size living room. Your girl Michelle, she does a lot of good decorating. You have everything from, I don't know if y'all can see this alcohol right here, but this right here, the Kilos vodka, I'm gonna have to try to find that when I get into the States. You got the vodka, you got the nice Buddha, the fireplace, you got the sound bar, which has good sound. You just link it to your phone through Bluetooth, pump it, man. Got the Masters TV right here. Sitting on the couch chilling, watching some Netflix. She has Netflix. She's got Disney Plus on there. Of course, YouTube. You can also link your phone up to that TV, so you got all the content you need. But you on vacation, so you ain't trying to be sitting on the couch so much. But if you are sitting on the couch, you have two lovely sofas here. Great size, great for relaxing, nice and comfortable. A couple nights I just sat here, chilled, watched the TV. It's good to go. Like I said, Michelle does not skip on the decorations, man. I kind of like the little tiger joint right here. Nice little figurine. She don't skip on the decorating, man. She's real creative. If she is indeed the one to do it, I'm kind of thinking she is. Man, I'm talking like from the flowers, like just minor little details, man. She's got them everywhere. Like you just peep them out, man. They are everywhere. You got the cool lights. We can change the colors on those to your mood and your setting. The AC, of course, you gotta have the AC. It's pumping. It's good to go. It's gonna keep you cool. You got a couple other little cool little lounge chairs. You got a nice little seating area for eating your dinner. Perfect, man. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, all that. Coming here to the kitchen. Got your refrigerator, your freezer, both work good. You got the toaster. I didn't really use that, but it's probably good. You got your microwave. She has all the cups you can need. You got your drinking glasses. You got your drinking, your wine, your champagne glasses. Then for your coffee drinkers, she got the coffee mugs in here. You got enough plates, bowls, all that good stuff. So you ain't got to worry about that either. She got a couple of other things up here. Like I said, we didn't really use all that stuff, but you got the pots. Got your extra little silverware. The stove is gas powered, good to go. Safety first. And of course, get that Presidente cracking. Alright, let's go ahead and come on in here to the bedroom. Nice and comfortable space in here. Nice little sliding doors. Works good. Got your privacy and to keep that sunlight out. And you got another AC. Super cold. Works good. Like I said, man, she don't skip on the details, man. Like I really like this flower pot here. It's pretty dope. She got two of them sitting here. You got your angel light, a nice little elephant. The flowers up there. Wow, I'm telling you, it's just little small details, man. The bed, it's nice and comfy. Don't make that much noise. Not too soft, not too firm. But of course, you know, it's always to your liking. But man, I had a perfect night's sleep. It's nice and cool and dark in here. You got your iron in there with the iron board. There's also a little hamper for you to put your clothes in. Keep that. Your dresser, plenty of drawer space. Man, go ahead, put your clothes in here, man. Feel at home, bro. Like, really, if I wasn't about to leave, I wouldn't have my shoes on. Like, man, there's a little area right there in the front where you walk in, kick your shoes off, leave it in there. Man, like I said, man, she does not skip on the details. You got the little plants and everything here. One thing, man, I wish I would have done is I wish I would have brought a book, man. Usually I do bring a book on my travels, but I forgot this round. But man, this little space right here, I don't know what it's used for, but it'd be perfect, man, just to sit here, chill, read a book. We sat out here, we had a couple of drinks, and we opened up the window, got some cool air in here. It was just relaxing, man. And like I said, she don't skip on the details for the decorations in here as well. It was a cool little seating area, man. Sit back, chill, read your book, and relax. It's good to go. So, Michelle, she really did her thing in here. I'm telling you. You sit here, you can chill, read your book, you had your drink, all that, man. It's pretty dope, man. Yeah, I'm mad I missed out on that because I really would have liked to sit here, drink my coffee, and chill. The bathroom, nothing serious. You know, you got your shower. You got your shower, toilet. She hooks you up on the towels. That's one thing I like, man. You have plenty of towels. No problems there. She even has a couple of robes sitting back over here. She got the young Versace joint. I don't know if it's something that somebody left for the next person, but yeah, you can chill and relax. Be good to go. I didn't use it personally. I probably wore it one time just for it, but other than that, man, that's the bathroom. So, all in all, I can't remember the price. I want to say it's about $50 a night. Don't quote me on that, but you get a nice little space, man, for you and your girl, chilling, whatever. Oh, let me show you where you can wash your clothes, and they got a little seating area out here. Let me show you to you. So yeah, you pretty much on the 4th floor. Like I said, she don't skip on the details, man. You got the dope chandeliers sitting up here. Beautiful, beautiful painting right here. I'm gonna have to take a snap a picture of that and see if I can find something similar to it. I like that. You got the flowers. She does not skip on the details, bro. So out here is where. Out here is pretty much where you can chill, have a drink. At first I thought it was just for you, but it's really not. It's a shared space. But yeah, man, you can come out here, chill, have a couple of drinks. You got the washing machine to share, hang your clothes up to dry them. But yeah, other than that, cool spot. Sit here, you chilling, having your drinks, talking to your friends. It's a cool night out. I personally didn't see anyone out here chilling. I've chilled out here a couple nights, had a drink, and just checked out the view of the neighborhood and relaxed. So, man, you on vacation, man, take it all in. But yeah, check it out, man. You right in the smack dab middle, man. As far as noise and comfort, I mean, let's be honest, man. You know where we at. It's always good. So you don't hear the motorbikes, you don't hear the cars, the horns honking, all that good stuff. But me personally, I got perfect sleep. I didn't really get bothered by the noise at all. But yeah, man, that's the apartment. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a link in the bottom of the description. Make sure you hit up Michelle and let her know that you saw the video, and go on and hook up with her, man. You won't be disappointed. It's a cool spot. Peace. See ya. Nice little cozy spot. And you got this little seating area out here. It's hella dope. I don't know. Yeah, it's got a light. I got this little seating area out here. It's hella dope. So yeah, I can't wait to review this spot.